have vacuumed our system with the vacuum pump. I had to borrow Chuck's because mine died. There we are. Vac way down. Been on the pump for about 45 minutes. We're going to set a timer for 20 minutes. Come back and check this. And hopefully we're in the same spot in 20 minutes. Bitchin'. Alright. Fingers crossed, ready to charge. Alright. Clutch is engaged. We are charging. Oh, baby. Let's see how we do. Alright, so we're charging. Got her out in the sun. Windows down. Air on max high. For the beginning of June, it's unseasonably cold here in Palm Springs at a chilly 85. We're used to 105 right now. So when you look at a 134A temperature pressure chart, you usually want 225 to 250 on the high side and 45 to 55 on the low. We are charging, so just don't worry about this side, but we are adding refrigerant slowly. And we'll get this up to the pressure we need it to be. And then we'll let her sit for a little while. But so far so good. I moved the car back so she's outside in the sun. And so far, happy camper. It's already cool in there. Alright. Idling, windows down, hood closed, been sitting here for a while. We're at like 44-ish. Little RPM. Temp down a little. Just sitting there. So, off for a little test drive and see how she did. Let's see. Put it up there.
Talking about right there.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one's in position, right?
Yeah.
That one's in position, isn't it?
Yeah. Under the top.
Kind of looks like it to me. Yep. Is it just me or is it fucking leaking right here?
We can pull her down and watch the video too. So we're not sitting there straining at it. It looks like it's leaking out of there.
Yeah, but it's wet there.
It's wet around that sending unit wire.
I'm concerned about that.
It looks like it's lifting up.
That doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. That would make sense as to it leaking right there. And you can
That's
see
a lift up point here. That's a spot that's supposed to lock it down.
Mm-hmm.
However, the way this works, that's all folded, so I can't be leaking from there.
It's cruising down G-Knot Tree. Going 55 mile an hour. It's hard to see going down the road. We are below 40 degrees out of the vents. Nice and cool in here. I would recommend getting some clear UV film done on the windows, like Chuck and I were talking with you the other morning. It definitely helped, seeing this thing has all black interior. But we are sub 40 degrees out of the vent. Bitches!